Is your consumer cellular phone frozen? Don't worry, it's a common issue often caused by software glitches or app conflicts. A force restart or hard reset is the first and easiest solution. It reboots your phone without losing data. For Android phones like Samsung Galaxy or Google Pixel, hold the power button for 10 to 20 seconds until it restarts. For iPhones like iPhone SE or iPhone 12, quickly press and release volume up, then volume down, then hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. This clears temporary memory issues and gets your phone working again most of the time. According to a 2024 survey, 65% of freezes are resolved with a force restart. So try this first. If a force restart doesn't work, Safe Mode can help identify problematic apps. Safe Mode starts your phone with only essential system apps enabled. First, power off your phone completely. On Android, with the phone powered off, press and hold the power button. When the Consumer Cellular logo appears, long press the power off option to enter Safe Mode. You'll see Safe Mode at the bottom of the screen. If your phone works normally in Safe Mode, a third-party app is causing the problem. Safe Mode disables downloaded apps, allowing you to test the phone's core functions. Uninstall recently installed or updated apps one by one and restart your phone to see if the issue is resolved. Consumer Cellular support data shows that 25% of support calls are freeze-related, down from 30% in 2024 due to updates, and these freezes are often app-related. Once you find the culprit, uninstall it to fix the issue. To exit Safe Mode, simply restart your phone normally.